Assalamualaikum non-Batalay.
Kumusta kayong lahat?
Welcome to our channel, Twohungry Traveler.
We have prepared 2 days exactly, okay? That is new one. I have never shown this one before. Okay, I will show you. See here? Show here. This one is a corn and then mulungai leaf and then some hot dog they mix together and then they put some any sauce you add? Fish sauce or something?
Fish sauce.
I mean that is bagong. See how it is.
And what's that? The red?
This is hot dog, the red one is, and the yellow one corn, and then this leaf is mulungai leaf. It's very healthy also. See, everything is very delicious and it looks very colorful also. And also this one now only just prepared. See the smoke, you can feel it. Alright, and this one is DINENGDEng. Okay, they put loco. In Ilakano they will say. Actually this is taro, and this one, wait, I will show you. Keep it there. And this one is some long bean, and this one is the heart of banana. Okay, they put, and then some fish sauce they add. See, everything is very delicious. I want to taste this one first. Okay, very hot.
Just put.
Okay, I will put here. Hi, the cat. See, this one. Okay, and then also I will take some with this one. Some taro. I don't want to take too much. I'm just going to take one. After that I will take more. See here. I will eat without rice. I will add this from hot. The corn is crunchy and not too much salty. But the hot flavor is I can feel in the soup also. It's very tasty. I will eat this one. The taro is good now. Very starchy. The taro is nicely cooked. And this one is also very cooked nicely. See this heart of banana is very cooked nicely. So yummy. Salty little bit. Very tasty. I will add the rice. And then I will add. So unless I add chili for the spice. Very delicious. Okay guys, I hope everyone have liked this video. There's 2 dishes also you saw, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Twohungry Travelers. And the person who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and the person who is supporting us, thank you for that one. And
The Facebook page.
and also the Facebook page we have Twohungry Travelers. Please follow and like, and thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye.